Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm Lumina in Expedition 33. I would like to inform you beforehand that these farming methods are quite late into the game. These two locations I'm about to mention are primarily the inside of the Monolith and Renoir's draft. But before that, I'm going to give an honorable mention on one of the Gestalts in the Gestalt village. Interact with this Gestalt right here, and he will say that he's collecting all the journals across all the expeditions. He will reward you with color of Lumina depending on how many you have collected so far. So if you're in a pinch, just interact with him. Inside the Monolith, make sure you're in the area Tower Peak. And instead of going forward, we go back and go up these stairs right here. Move to the left and keep going until you can hop over to the other side. The enemies that you will be fighting there will be a clear, an obscure, and a clear obscure. This is essentially a mini boss fight, so do take caution. When you finish the fight, you'll be rewarded with 5 color of Lumina guaranteed. To redo the fight again, just rest on the expedition flag and they will keep respawning and you can have fun with farming. For the second method, deep inside Renoir's draft, you can get color of Lumina by fighting these creations right here. They are located right next to the expedition flag that's called Golden Tree. By fighting these guys, you can get 2 color of Lumina. Next up is the merchant right above, and if you fight and defeat him, you will be rewarded with color of Lumina too. And over to the side, there are 2 more creations that reward you with color of Lumina again. And that's about it on how to farm Lumina in Expedition 33.